Okay, in a diagram of a landscape plan, the scale factor is 1 centimeter equals 10 feet. I'm going to write that down here. 1 centimeter is to 10 feet. Okay. Now, unlike an earlier problem where I said you can't find the ratio of two numbers if they're in different units, that's true. These don't have a 1 to 10 ratio, but we can use it as a scale factor. So this is, don't think of this as a ratio, think of this as a scale factor, meaning, okay, I can say if 1 centimeter is 10 feet, then 3.1 centimeters is how many feet? Okay, because what it says is in the diagram of a landscape plan, the scale is 1 centimeter to 10 feet. And then in the diagram, the trees are 3.1 centimeters apart. How far should they actually be planted? And this is where we'll multiply diagonally. And fun fact, this times this just gives you x. This times this gives you 31. Okay, and what we're looking for there, x. What was the unit of x? X should be in feet. So we can say then the trees should be planted 31 feet apart.